Muscle Building 101, a beginner's guide to building muscle and increasing strength. Narrated by John Hawkes. Introduction. Why is it so hard to build muscle? Hello and welcome to our short introductory guide on the building blocks of muscle building and increasing strength. If you're like many people, myself included, who have a hard time building muscle, you've tried every supplement and muscle building workout routine that promise big fat gains, but you're still just as scrawny as the day you decided to start building muscle. Don't worry, you are not alone. Building muscle is hard, and it's something many people struggle with. There are a few reasons why it is so hard to build muscle. The first thing that most people do wrong is approach it with a wrong mindset. To put things shortly, in order to build muscle like you want, you need to create a muscle building lifestyle and really get your head in the game. At that point, muscle building becomes something more than what you do when you go to the gym. The other reasons people have a hard time building muscle is that they don't have the right diet and they're not doing the right exercises. What you put into your body will have a huge impact on what your body is able to do, which is why diet is such a vital part of muscle building. The right exercises, on the other hand, will properly impact the muscles in such a way that they will gain like you want them to. The good news is that even if you have no muscle at all right now, you can gain the muscle you want by starting your foundation off with the advice found in this very book. Then move on to more advanced theory and programs depending on your individual goals. Keep reading to find out everything you need to know to get started with muscle building so you can finally have the muscles and body that you want. If you are willing to put in the work, anything is possible. Let's dive in.